Hi loves. I bought a microphone and I'm not wearing it. I just remembered I left it at home. I'm sorry about that. But the sound quality will improve in the immediate future. I am having a great day. Do you know what I've noticed? How much bigger daisies are now than I remember them being before. Maybe this is like an almost psychedelic effect. Look how much bigger they are. Like that's big day. Zoom in on the babies. So, from my humble perspective, and again, I don't claim to know everything. I don't think it's humanly right that we ever do know everything. But that fundamentally, we have an opportunity to see everything as a beautiful beginning or as a tragic ending. And I quite frankly believe that far too many of our media posts or social media, I don't know, generalising here, but there's a lot of stuff you see about fear, about creating more fear, about not being open to other people. And actually, this little one. Hey. 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 Actually, we have the greatest blessing ever. Look at them frolicking in the background. Just to really deeply appreciate what it is we came to Earth to manifest, to realise. Forever have the most muddy fucking feet. And actually, I even just annoyed myself a little bit with that. Hi friends, we're starting to get back into my home territory and hopefully we'll see some lammies. That'd be nice. Thought I'd take you to the lambs. So I guess today I am resting in a lot of appreciation and that feels really nice. It feels like my body is moving stronger, my heart is louder, in the best way, not in the scary might have a problem kind of way. And just with the eclipse today, recognizing how endings are the beginning. You know, even if we take the big ultimate death experience from our human perspective, it is just the beginning of something else. It's the beginning of another transformation. And I was looking at something Teal Swan was saying about how fungus are the most intelligent species on this planet. Fucking totally get it. And also, that kind of makes me feel like as we eat the mushroom, something else is eating us. Maybe the mushroom is eating us in the other dimension, or other dimensions, plural. I'm going to have to pause. Mums, what are we doing?
We're hearing bird song. Come and chit chat.
We got an app that identifies the birds as they chirp. And Mum was being so cute. And now I've turned the camera on and I've ruined it.
The only problem with this is the screen's not big enough to show you all the names.
We shouldn't have so many birds then, should we? Abundance of birdies. This is where they come for lunch.
I'd like to know what, don't ask us, I'd like to know what the chiff chaff looks like. They've given me a picture.